Hello, and here we are again with another video. And the video today is about animals, numbers and sounds. So what I'm going to do is throw this, and what number? 6. Right, so let's see, number 6 is here, isn't it? And that animal is a tiger. So we have to find the sound that tiger begins with. Let's see. Tiger. Biger. Diger. It's similar, but it's not right. Tiger. Yes, that one's right. Okay, so we're going to throw it again and let's see what comes up. Number 1. Well, here's number 1, and number 1 is a bear. So let's see which sound we need to do bear. Do we say rare? Bear? Yes, bear. Okay, here we go again. 4. Let's see. There's 4, and 4 is a monkey. Let's see about monkey. We have runky, donkey, hunky, and monkey. That's right. Okay, so we've got 3. Let's see what we get now. A 3. And the 3 is a hedgehog. Be careful. Oh, that's sharp. And the hedgehog. Do we say redgehog? Deadhog? Hedgehog. Yes. And we're going to throw it again. And we have 4. But we've already done 4. We need a 2 or a 5, don't we? Let's see again. 3. No good, no good. We want a 2 or a 5. 4. No, a 2 or a 5. Let's see if we're lucky. Yes, a 2. And this is 2. And 2 is the dog. Do we say rog? Or do we say dog? That's right. So now there's only one left, isn't there? Number 5. And number 5 is a rabbit. This one's difficult. What do you think it is? I think it's the R for rabbit. So, very good. We have B for bear, D for dog, H for hedgehog, M for monkey, R for rabbit, and T for tiger. I hope you liked the video. Bye bye.